Good day, sir. My name is Ivarshan Girolyod, BSA MT 4th year. So this is my sample problem in dynamics of rigid bodies. So my problem here is a particle starts from rest and moves in a straight line with an acceleration of a equals quantity 2t minus 6 meter per second squared. Where t is in seconds, what is the particle's velocity when t equals 6 seconds squared? So basically, ang required ay instantaneous velocity. So let's write the concept of acceleration. A equals derivative of velocity with respect of time. So this is the concept that we need in this problem. So we have in this equation a dt equals derivative of velocity. A dt equals dv. So mumultiply natin ang dt sa both side ng equation. Ang a natin ay given ang acceleration as a function of time that a equals 2t. A equals 2t minus 6. By integrating this differential equation here, we can actually find the velocity. We can do that by substituting the equation for a, that is a function of t here, in order for us to integrate. So we have here dv equals a dt. So we're in a equals 2t minus 6 derivative of time. So we have here dv equals 2t minus 6 dt. So integrate this both side. So ang lower limit natin ay initial velocity. So v1, and ang upper limit natin ay final velocity. So from time to 0 to time to t. So ang time here is 6 seconds. So dapat ang time limit natin ay 6 seconds. 6 seconds. A particle start from rest. So ang initial velocity natin ay v equals 0. v equals 0. So itong lower limit natin ay equals to 0. So we can now integrate here. So integral of dv, that is v. So limit natin ay from 0 to v2. 0 equals, so we have here 2t, add tayo ng 1. So pag nag-add tayo ng 1, magiging 2t squared. Then divide natin sa same exponent over 2. So gagamitin natin ang power formula sa given na to, minus 60. So meron tayong limit which is 0 to 6. 0 to 6. So substitute this upper and lower limit. v2 minus 0 equals t squared minus 60 0 to 6. So v2, that is final velocity here, where in the time is equal to 6 seconds, and apply natin ang upper and lower limit which is 6 squared minus 0 squared. So v2 equals 6 squared minus 0 squared. So we have here minus 6 minus 0. So we have here V2 equals 6 squared minus 6 squared. V2 equal 6 squared minus 6 squared. So the velocity in time at 6 seconds is V equals 0. So ibig sabihin nito that at time 6 seconds, the particle is at rest. So this is the final answer. 0. That's all. Thank you.